Hey guys, on me, Andrew. We're gonna be making a video of the Chevy 1953 Chevy truck. I know I have made a video of a bug, and the Chevy looks very nice. I actually like the color. Actually, silver. The rims is silver. Very nice truck. I did got this from Walmart. See, you got the black Chevy, no, the red Chevy, and the black Chevy. Then I can't tell that's silver. I think that's black. And that's a Chevy also. Oh, that's a Chevy. Oh, there are more. And yeah, this is my Chevy right here. See, the front bumper looks nice. The rims. And yeah, we're going to be unboxing this. Let's get started. Voila. Okay, now I think we have to get the screwdriver, I think. Oh, yeah. Can't open it. I'm doing this on my own again. Get the screwdriver. Boom. There we go. I got it done. Oh, damn. Ooh, these actually feel good, actually. Like rubber, plastic also. The rims. Oh no, the problem is it doesn't screw it, does it? No. Ooh, that's cool. That's cool. There we go. Oh, it's blurry. Shiny. Not bad actually. It's actually bad actually. The front bumper, white hood up. Yeah, you got the front bumper right here. Got the headlights on the logo. See that? Yeah. Rims. Back. It's cool. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Now you see it. Yeah, told me you see that, guys. I think they say Chevy. Yeah, I think. We got this rubber right here. Looks very badass. We're gonna try and open this. Okay. We got it open. I'm doing this on my own. And ooh, very interesting. Actually looks old school. Man, old school is very cool. Whoa, that's cool. Whoa, that's... Oh, you see the back. The Chevy. I think we're gonna try and get this a shot and see like can it like yeah. Let's do it, guys. Okay, people, you can't see we are here the track. Problem is you can't do that. You can't like see. Then we're gonna have to do it with our hands. I was thinking there was another way, like get a rope and tie it to the windows. So I think I might do that too. Probably other day. So right now, we're gonna see how fast this goes. And this is our shot. Okay. That actually went not that bad actually. No, nice. Okay, you can't see it went right here. Actually, it went right here. Yup. Okay, try again. Okay, we're back again. Try to get to the shot. Like, see how fast it goes. Okay. Ooh, almost next to the kitchen. Oh, we're gonna see it to the kitchen. I think it went to the kitchen. Look, go check. Oh, okay. See, you're almost so close to the kitchen. It's just right that close. Probably like 1 more feet, I think. I mean, wow. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Find the perfect angles. This car, like right here. Actually looks clean. Yep. Oh, let's go. Okay, get this shot. Ooh. Ooh, no bad actually. And it didn't sound like a bad hit. Oh, past the kitchen now to the living room. Wow, can the light catch it? Not close. Okay, I'll try and get it one more time, and we're gonna try and see can it taste on carpet. Okay, actually like went right here. Not bad. Whoa, actually went not that far actually. Well, it actually did went far, almost to the rooms. Okay. Okay, got my Chevy truck. Test this one more time. I have to get the perfect angles. Yup. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Let's go get it again. Okay, try this one more time. That was dumb. That was very dumb. Very dumb. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Actually went to the right almost. Imagine went to the right all the way. That'd be dope. Also be dope. Oh, I'm gonna go get it and try and taste this on carpet. Now let's go. So you can see actually right here, the same spot was like right here. Man, this car is nice. Okay, we're right here. You can see we got the Dodge on. What? I'm making a video of you. Yep. Let me. We're gonna try. Oh, the problem is no room. I think I'm gonna try and do like slowly. That mean, yeah. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Oh, let me think. Probably push it like. Try push it with 2 fingers. No, let me think. Well, we're gonna try to see it actually drive on carpet. Let me see. Oh, didn't it? Not bad. So I think the Volkswagen would be there, I believe so. So, but okay, got the machine. Like, go back, try again. Okay. Okay, You see the Dodge. Try to beat it. But what's nice? Try Dodge. Try to do this 2 times, and the video one ends. Okay. Ooh. Actually, not that bad. We'll go get it. Man, this Dodge is so nice. Okay, one more time. Okay. Ooh, oh, you see the Dodge. I think it went same speed. Yeah, that was actually when cool actually. Go back to my spot we were at the beginning. Well, so people, the video was, and don't forget like and subscribe, see more. Saying this again because I got 3 subscribers. Yup. See the car? You want to see it one more time? Look around. Got the bag, tires. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace. Oh, peace. Oh, bye.